Hello, I hope y'all are having a great day today. Today I'm going to do an Excel tutorial on the index match function. The index match is actually two separate functions in Excel, but when put together, it allows the user to fill in an Excel sheet in an extremely efficient and timely manner. So this is a very powerful tool if mastered in Excel, and basically what it does is just fill out all these cells right here with one function, and I will show y'all how to use that. So the first step is actually to name all the cell ranges. For time purposes, I've already named all the cell ranges, as you can see up here. I'll show you how to do one real quickly. It's person's name. You hit enter, and this just saves you a lot of time when you are using your index match function. Okay, so we can begin. Alright, so we're looking for the product, so we're going to type in index, and the array will be the product name, since that's what we're looking for. And then we're going to match that to the product ID. Simply click on this cell, product ID, and then we get IT Security Suite. A quick and easy way to check your work would be to go down to product, and we'll check the product ID 1. IT Security Suite is the name. So it looks like we did it right. So we'll be able to double click this down, and this fills in over 230 different cells instantly. This saves us a lot of time. A lot of time that could be spent elsewhere, and it's just an extremely effective way, an extremely effective tool if mastered in Excel. All it is memorization. With that being said, I'll show y'all a couple more examples. Alright, so we're going to look up our state this time. Salesperson state. We're going to match that to the salesperson. William Bostford. Salesperson's name. Alright, so Williams Bosford should be out of Tennessee. So let's just check that real quickly. William Bosford, Tennessee. Alright, so it looks like we hit another home run and we got it right. Double click it down, and then it fills in all the information for us. Alright, let's do the district. It's going to be the same way. We're going to type in the index function first, and then we're going to type in salesperson's district, and we're going to match that to the salesperson name. Alright. So like I said, all this is memorization and just doing it. So let's double check it. William Bosford State should be Tennessee District 2. Tennessee District 2. And then we have one more, the territory to fill. It'll be the same way. Index. Territory is, or salesperson's territory is the array. We're going to match that one more time to the salesperson. Alright, so William Bosford his state is Tennessee, his district is 2, and his territory is 2. So let's see if we got this right. Territory is 2. Alright, so we'll double click it down, and it looks like we have our Excel sheet filled out. So what we can take away from this video is that the index max function is an extremely powerful and effective tool if mastered. It can save you a lot of time, energy, and effort, and it only takes about 45 minutes to an hour to get the hang of it. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope y'all enjoyed.